Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again to you as always, live and direct. I hope and pray that everything is going well with you. I said, let me just drop in. I just dropped another video, just recorded a video. I said, let me, while I have you guys, or while I'm have the camera out, I've received a package today. I said, well, let me go ahead and unbox that with everybody. But I already opened it. I opened it up already, but it's from Pure Garden. And what it is, I love like little decor items in my garden, although I don't have a lot of them this year. For some reason, everything is just really off. Even my flowers, I don't have a lot of flowers in my garden this year. Got a lot of veg, but not a lot of flowers. And just a little late on everything for some reason. Just, I don't know what happened. But, and well, I do know that I'll have my irons and other fires and stuff like that. But let me show you what I have. Just a little garden decor and stuff like that. I love little lights and stuff like that. So hopefully these are okay. I'm going to put them together with you while I'm on, I was going to say while I'm on the phone with you. So hopefully I have everything, and they were moving around in the package. I could hear them moving around. The box is a little flimsy, and I was like, oh, I hope nothing is broken. But I do have some little items here, and you see the little hummingbird. Look how cute he is, a little hummingbird. I wish this was crystal. It looks like almost like crystal. And a butterfly. Look at the butterfly. That's cute. Butterfly. And dragonfly. Got a dragonfly. So I have these items. Really cute. And I actually want to get one of these for a young lady who is in one of our Facebook groups. This lady, I hope she didn't get offended, because one day I told her she's the gift that keeps on giving, because she is, she's always very giving, very generous, very helpful and stuff like that. So I was like, you're like the gift that keeps on giving, or whatever. And I think something is missing already. And I said, and I would just like to give her, oh, this is broke. Oh man, these people are not gonna like me at all. This looks broken. They don't wrap these in anything. And I see a piece, I think a piece is missing. Let me see. Oh, oh boy. Oh, wait. No. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, no. Maybe this is. Maybe this is how this goes. Okay, this is how that goes. So maybe there isn't a piece missing. Maybe. So let me see if this works. Oh yeah. So it comes on. The light. They light up. Of course. This is really cute though. But one looks broken. Oh God, I hope not. But they only put these in this little flimsy bubble wrap, not even the thick, good bubble wrap. But one of these lights, yeah. So there is a piece missing. I thought so. I see this goes somewhere else. But yeah, this thing. Uh oh. While you're talking, Saida. Or Saifala, as this one lady used to call me at a religious organization. And you know what she wanted to call me? Okay, this one is okay. Uh, I shouldn't even be saying this, but this one it's probably broken. Oh God, I see a piece missing, but look at that. Oh, wait a minute, where you guys at? Okay, see that? That's not supposed to be like that. So that means that this thing is probably broken. Ugh, and I don't want to touch it. Let me see. Let me just see if it'll come on, period. Oh, so the light comes on. But if I try to move it to upright to fix it, hopefully it doesn't break. Because it's not supposed to be like this. They're supposed to be upright. Oh boy. Hope it don't break. But I forgot how much this. Oh, I want to, like I said, I want to send one. Okay, let me see. Ooh, came on. But, uh-oh. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, so it's not broken, but it's not the way it's supposed to be either. But, and there is a piece missing because these are these are the two pieces. Or did I move something? These are the two pieces that uh, connect these, because I guess you can, I guess you, I didn't read the directions yet thoroughly yet, but I guess you can do them both ways. You could uh, make them very long, like if you want to put them on your lawn, you could they you can use them long as well, you know, very long. This is like 2 feet actually. This is easily 2 feet, so you can use it like that. But I'm sure using them with one, wait, how was that saying? Using using it with one, no, you can't do this. Wait, let me see. No. Use, I was thinking that you could use them with one of them as well, but I guess you can't, because I was like, oh, this is very long. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys that, but I didn't forget this lady. She was a trip from this one religious organization I used to attend. And I would say her name. I don't even know if she's still with us here on earth or not, but she used to call me, now you know my name is Saida. Most of you know it's Saida. It's Saida, Saida, or whatever, you know. And she would call me, and she knew the name, she would call me Saifala. Now, what is that saying? What she was saying, because, you know, some people, they don't like you. She was saying, Saifala, you Saifala shh, is what she really was saying. Full of shh is what she was calling me. She was calling me full of shh, full of shit. Anyway, is that a story time? Would that count as a story time? Yeah. But yeah, she was something else, man. She would be, oh, I'm talking too much. Let me not say nothing. I'm sorry. Forgive me, y'all. But she was, but everybody's got their own characters. I know I'm a character, but everybody's a character. But that's what she would call me. And she know fully well that that was in my name, but she would call me Saifullah. Now, where you get Saifullah from? From how do you get Saif? Now, people have butchered my name because you know it's not a common name. You know, unless you knew Saida Garrett or different people who in your family who had the name blah blah blah. It's not a common name. But where do you get Said? How do you get Saifullah out of Saida? She was calling. She was saying that I was full of shit. That's what she. That's all she was saying. But anyway, I hope this counts as a story time too. This is also a story time. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this. I got it from. I ordered it from Target actually. I thought these were so cute. I was like, oh, these are so cute because I love to have the auto lights, and I get them from Dollar Tree as well as Walmart and Aldi as well because yeah, so that's what I like to keep those outside So when you're out there, it has that little ambiance and stuff like that, and prayerfully scare away any critters that wants to come in my garden or in my yard at night or whatever. But anyway, I thought this was so cute. My favorite is actually the dragonfly. The dragonfly is my favorite. I do like, I think, did I? Oh, I turned it off. So it has, well, of course, you know how these work, but yeah, it wasn't too much. But I do want to get one for somebody else. I think I'm going to have it sent. But the only thing is, I hate paying for shipping, guys. So I really wanted to have it sent to her. Otherwise, I'll have to get it, then take it over there myself. But I just wanted to send it by surprise. But anyway, the dragonfly is my favorite. I have some photos and video of dragonfly in my garden this year too, and I think I will put a clip of that with this video. I think I will. So that's 3-in-1. This is like an unboxing of my new item, story time, as well as who visited my garden. Yeah. So anyway, this is my favorite though, and then I guess the hummingbird, and then the butterfly. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. This video is probably long enough. 11:30, 12 minutes. So anyway, love you very much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video. Wasn't it fun? Didn't we have fun? Today you saw these and you probably want to get some for yourself. Did I say Target? I got them from Target, online from Target or whatever. It came today in the mail, and actually it wasn't supposed to come for a couple of days, and it came today. They sent me an email saying that your item is going to be a couple of days early. So that really made me very, very happy. So I'll be putting them out in the garden tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching again. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Bye. The things I'm seeing in this garden today. Oh, wow. Ah, this thing is beautiful. Hey. Wow. Wow. I didn't even see it sneak up. It's ugly though. Well, the front. The wingspan is pretty. Interesting. It's like it's not even bothered by the paparazzi. Alright guys, just wanted to show this thing today. Oh, it's talking. Oh, what are you saying? Huh? What are you saying? Anyway. Oh, you see him moving his head like that? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can really see the design of its wings. Trying to get some still shots. Anyway, I'm tired. Let me let this thing go. Talk to you guys later. Bye.